In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use inventory reports, tracking, maintaining, and more in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or a seasoned accountant, understanding how to navigate these reports is vital for maintaining an up-to-date view of your inventory levels and overall business health. To get started, we'll first need to sign in to QuickBooks Online, so begin by clicking on the Sign In button. It's important to make sure that you're entering the right credentials to avoid any unnecessary login troubles. Once you've successfully completed that step, select QuickBooks Online from the available options. You'll then be prompted to type in your account credentials. Enter your username and password, ensuring they're accurate to proceed without needing another login attempt. After inputting the required information, click Continue to access your QuickBooks dashboard. Now that we're inside the QuickBooks environment, let's head over to the Reports section. You can find this by navigating to the left-hand menu of your home page. Clicking on Reports gives you access to a variety of reporting tools that QuickBooks offers, all designed to provide valuable insights into various aspects of your business. In the Reports section, there's a search bar, which is a great tool to quickly pinpoint specific reports. Go ahead and type in Inventory Valuation Summary. This particular report is essential as it provides a comprehensive snapshot of your inventory's current value. This insight is invaluable for making informed business decisions and tracking the financial health of your inventory. After typing the report name, click on Inventory Valuation Summary. You'll be directed to an in-depth view of your inventory items, displaying details such as quantity on hand, their value, and average cost. These are key metrics for anyone involved in keeping tabs on stock levels. Having this information allows you to better manage purchases, reduce overstock, and optimize your inventory levels. By following these steps, you've now accessed and are ready to utilize QuickBooks inventory reports to their fullest potential. This knowledge not only empowers you to better oversee product inventory, but also aids in making strategic financial decisions for your company. Remember, regularly checking these reports is fundamental for maintaining transparency in your business operations. Consistent monitoring ensures that you're not caught off guard by unforeseen inventory discrepancies or financial miscalculations, leading to a smoother, more efficient workflow. And that wraps up our guide today. With these skills in your toolkit, you're well on your way to mastering inventory management in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for spending this time with us, and we hope you found this guide useful. Until next time, happy bookkeeping.